अभी हम ब्रिक्स की बात करेंगे। आइए बात करते हैं ब्रिक्स की। द कंपटीशन कमीशन ऑफ इंडिया (CCI) will be hosting the 8th BRICS International Competition Conference. BRICS ICC 2023 themed New Issues in Competition Law and Policy Dimensions, Perspectives, Challenges. The conference being held in New Delhi from 11th to 13th October would witness participation of more than 600 delegates from the Competition Authority of BRICS and non-BRICS nations, competition law experts, non-government advisors and domestic invitees. Addressing the media at the curtain raiser event here today, Shrimati Ravneet Kaur, chairperson CCI, said that the BRICS ICC is a seminal event to be held in India after a decade. Highlighting the objective of the conference, she said the conference aims to discuss various emerging issues and challenges in competition enforcement in BRICS countries and take forward the agenda of cooperation among the BRICS competition authorities. The chairperson informed the joint reports on leniency program and digital economy will be released and discussed. She added that Honorable Justice Ashok Bhushan, chairperson National Company Law Appellate Tribunal (NCLAT), will deliver the keynote address at the opening ceremony of BRICS ICC on October 12th. The heads of BRICS Competition Authority will address the closing ceremony on October 13th and sign a joint statement. She further added, the conference is hosted biennially by the BRICS competition authorities provides a platform for promoting cooperation, experience sharing and mutual learning amongst the competition authorities of BRICS countries. The 8th edition of the conference will comprise 3 plenary sessions and 4 breakout sessions on the following themes: BRICS joint documents, leniency program and digital economy reports, new issues in competition law and policy in the BRICS countries, promoting soft law tools to create a pro-competitive environment in the market, competition analysis in digital economy, big technologies and algorithms, sustainability and climate change, new dimensions in competition law, role of market studies in emerging competition issues, challenges in merger control, international perspective. Key speaker at the conference will include, among others, Shrimati Ravneet Kaur, chairperson CCI, Mr. Victor Oliveira Fernandes, commissioner CADE Brazil, Mr. Maximum Shashkowski, head FAS Russia, Ms. Ganlin, vice minister of SAMR, administrator of the State Anti-Monopoly Administration China, Ms. Doris TSAP, Commissioner CCSA South Africa. Other dignitaries present at the curtain raiser event included CCI members Shri Anil Agarwal, Ms. Shweta Kakkad and Shri Deepak Anurag, among other senior officers of the commissions. Thank you very much.